Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Telegram desktop on macOS, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To download Telegram desktop on macOS, start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in telegram.org and press enter. Once on the Telegram website, look for that apps section in the top navigation menu. Click on apps to access the list of available applications. Scroll down until you find the Telegram desktop option. Click on the Telegram desktop link to be directed to the download page. On the download page, locate the macOS download button. Click on the macOS button to begin downloading the installation file. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the downloaded file to start the installation process. A window will appear with the Telegram icon. Drag the Telegram icon into your Applications folder to install the app. After the file has been copied, open your Applications folder. Find and double-click on the Telegram app to launch it. The first time you open Telegram, you may receive a security warning. If prompted, go to System Preferences, then Security and Privacy. Under the General tab, click Open Anyway for Telegram. After that, return to your Applications folder and open Telegram again. The app will now launch without any issues. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account and start using Telegram desktop. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.